Listen, listen, men. There's no real cure for a patchy beard. It's not. A thick beard, that's genetics. It has everything to do with genetics. It's like having blue eyes or brown eyes, green eyes. It's genetics. So if no hair grows in those areas, it makes no difference what you do. You can roll it, you can put all types of solutions on it. It's not going to happen. But for the hair that does grow, let's say you have a patchy beard, and it's almost connecting, but not quite there yet. A collagen supplement may help. Collagen is a protein. It's like the most abundant protein that we have in our bodies, and it aids in your skin health, hair growth. Okay, when I say hair growth, I'm talking about the hair that already grows. It grows that hair thicker, faster, healthier. Skin, same thing. Healthy skin growth. Fine lines disappear. Collagen, the levels of collagen, from what I understand, it lowers after the age of 20. So that's what happens. So I don't know why they don't even talk much about uh, collagen and taking collagen as a supplement because it's very good for you, you know. But that might aid in the patchy growth by because the hair that is growing will grow in thicker, faster. So if you have like a slight gap in your beard, that may help out. But if it's an extreme case, if you have a very big hole in your beard, mm-mm. Just if you have a goatee, just rock the goatee, baby.